It has been one hell of a ride for Nvidia and their bag holders. After price broke this monthly downtrend line, it was pretty much off to the races, and you can see since then price is up 6x. Now, one investor happens to be a billionaire, Stanley Druckenmiller, slashed his Nvidia stake by more than 70%, according to the most recent 13F filing. Now, before we continue with the analysis on the charts, I do want to look at the article that goes into detail. So, Druckenmiller's Duquesne family office, which manages about 4.4 billion, sold 441,000 shares in Nvidia in the first quarter. Druckenmiller was taking profits as what turned out to be a massive winning trade for him. The investor first purchased Nvidia in the fourth quarter of 2022 for an estimated average price of about $184. So he is up roughly a little under 6x. Now, shares in Nvidia have since surged 391% as of the end of the first quarter. Even with Druckenmiller's big trim of his Nvidia stake, it is still the seventh biggest position in the portfolio as of March 31st, with a total value of about 159 million. So he did a little rebalancing. Now, Druckenmiller also sold all of his call options in Nvidia in the first quarter. So not only was he owning the stock, he was playing the stocks with leverage, which were purchased in the fourth quarter of 2023 for a total value of about 242 million. Given that shares in Nvidia surged 82% in the first quarter of the year to record highs, that trade was likely another massive winner. And yes, it was. All right, so we looked at the monthly chart. We're going to look at the weekly chart now. And want to point out to you some levels of interest. You had a weekly bias level at $380. Had a rallying price, two basic candles, and then rally out. Price almost came back to that level, which kind of shows you that just the momentum to the upside was just too great. Now, this little blue rectangle indicates daily buyers, and we'll look at that level in a minute. Price continued to move higher, and then it formed another weekly buy level at $595. And now price finds itself kind of struggling to get past this $950 level. Again, many analysts on Wall Street have a $1,000 plus price target. And we'll look at the $900 to $1,000 level in a minute. I do want to scroll down to the daily chart, and I do want to show you that level that I was referring to. So you had a rally in price, base in candles, and a rally out. At the time, price was trying to get through all-time highs, but got rejected. So impulse move, pullback, then impulse move. This was a tremendous, great setup. And then you had another rally, base in candles, and then a rally out in the form of a gap. So you could say you have a level on level. This is a daily bias level on, and it nested within a weekly buy level as well. All right, so here we have price making a triple top, which, according to technical analysis, is bearish. However, can't deny the fundamentals, as Nvidia owns the advanced semi chips. And so we did have a sell-off, but we do have earnings this week, and it's probably going to be the most important earnings call of this quarter thus far. Whatever happens to Nvidia is going to happen to the market. Either way, Stanley Druckenmiller got out, took some profits. He's still in though. So let's see how this week transpires, and I will be sure to give you an update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.